klassische Rinderrouladen, whatever. It's a German recipe. It's great. It is great. It's basically beef rolled up with stuff, and there is no focus, whatever. Yeah, beef in like a nice red wine sauce, and along with that, we're gonna have some black mess. No, it's Rotkraut. It's red cabbage with apple and mashed potatoes. So
put the bacon in.
That's what's happening here. Yeah, we got bacon and we got very thinly sliced beef, which the Whole Foods person was probably very annoyed by that wish of ours, but that's just how it is. Oh, you put it in there? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah, so we're first frying up bacon pieces, and like 6 of them, because I guess we're gonna make 6 rolls. This is gonna take some time, right? Because that's
the bacon?
Tiny pan, yeah.
I don't think so.
Okay.
It's just starting to heat up.
Okay, perfect. So yeah, let's see how that will go. I'm just slicing pickles because we don't have sliced pickles. This is the bacon, which looks super ugly. But yeah. In Germany you use different, you don't really use bacon, or I don't know what you use. You can also use ham actually. We could have just bought ham. Would have made our lives easier, but
bacon's good.
Yeah, we don't care about fat. Okay, now I aligned the beef parts, kind of, and just, yeah, because there's some very thin ones. Now I'm gonna put some yellow mustard on top somehow, and oh no, actually first salt and pepper, then yellow mustard, then roast bacon, and then sliced pickles. Okay, now there's mustard on all of them, pretty thin because Mr. is not a big fan of mustard, but I'm neither, so that's fine. And now we take this bacon and let's just take everything and line it somehow. So yeah, I mean, yeah, it's a little too crusty, so I guess I'm just gonna do it like this. Are those 6 pieces? It looks like so tiny.
A lot of fat rendered out.
Oh man. Yeah, it's all in the pan, which we're gonna use to fry the rolls later on. How are we supposed to call them now? Because should we just call them rouladen? Can you?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, cool. Okay. Because it's not.
I mean, you can.
You can too. The rouladen. Say
Rouladen.
it. Rouladen.
Your
Yes.
battery is low.
My battery, yeah, I knew that. I might have to get your charger, so. So yeah, just align. I mean, if you have ham, then you just slap it on top there, and you don't have to do what I'm doing right now. So yeah, but now there's some nice crispiness in there. And now with your bacon fat fingers, take the pickle slices, because we're not making anything vegan here tonight, so it's okay. Just put it on there somehow. And yeah, I think my aunt would probably not like how I'm doing that here, but so, and now roll it up, basically. Oh god, those pickles are way too thick. They're kind of like, I feel the pickles rebelling. But yeah,
That's good.
It's not bad. And then you have to like, the best would actually be to have like strings, food safe strings, and like make a little package, but those don't exist here, so let's just put wood sticks through it. Oh boy, that doesn't look very stable. This pickle thing, yeah, pickles. Do it again. Okay, I mean at some point, once you've like fried it a little bit, it's gonna stay in place, but now it's just a very crucial and delicate time for those little rouladen.
I hope that toothpicks don't make it too hard to fry.
They will.
Yeah.
But what are we supposed to do? Then let's continue. Oh, those pickles. But I couldn't slice them much thinner because then I would have sliced it into my finger.
Maybe I should have done it.
Yeah, you should have. Ah, fuck my pickle. Definitely buy like sliced pickles, or I don't know. Or maybe just slice them this way and like spread them around like the bacon. That would have probably been better. Okay, yeah. Let's not film everything of that very sad journey, and let's fast forward to when they're all rolled up. I'm gonna fry those babies in here with all the bacon fat. Very cheap wine. It was less than $2.99 because there was an extra 20% discount just for alcohol.
Smells good.
Smells good? Okay, let's do a selfie cheers thing.
Cheers.
I don't know. I like it. It's
not terrible.
yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, it's spritzing my way. Oh boy.
Gonna do 3 at a time.
Yeah, 3 is enough. The best onion salad. Yeah, this is just banana. Because this is pretty much almost done, and then we're gonna, what are we gonna do with the red wine? How do you call it?
Deglaze.
We're gonna deglaze it with cheap red wine, which we are also drinking. And then we're gonna add some broth. Oops. Yeah, I got enough. No, come on. Some beef broth, and then some bay leaves. Nah, that's nothing. Some bay leaves as well, and then yeah. Huh?
Stick these back in?
Yeah.
Oh, toothpicks are fighting each other.
Huh?
Toothpicks are fighting each other.
It's perfect. Perfect amount. Perfect size for pot. Oh yeah, and the oven is preheated. Time to deglaze. Oh yeah. I don't know.
A lot of beef broth too.
Yeah, let's leave that. And then yeah. There is a recipe for this, but I don't want to follow that recipe because it's annoying and involves too many steps and too many ingredients. So yes, let's do it as we think, and maybe add those little things now. To the bay leaves and the cloves, which is somewhere we also just add a little bit of cinnamon. Guess why not? And some sugar, yeah, because I just feel like it's a good idea. And salt. Yeah. Yeah, he just put broth inside so that it now looks like this. So I mean, it would be probably best to cover the whole thing, but I don't know. I mean, maybe we're gonna add a little more, and then we will not have to turn them as many times because after that they're gonna go in the oven and they are gonna. I know. And in the oven they're gonna have to be like for 1.5 hours. So yeah, that's enough. Stop. Perfect. Maybe we should add more wine because now wine is gone.
Do it.
Okay.
It's only $3.
Yeah. Fuck it.
We got 2 bottles just in case.
Yeah. So. Oh God. This is. Yeah. Let's say okay for the wine for now, and let's just have it unglazed. Now let's wait until it boils.
Oh, okay.
And then put it in the oven, and then we're gonna start with our red cabbage. Next up, have your boyfriend cut everything, which is red onions. We're just cutting how much ever we have left, and I think it's gonna be fine. Put it in a pot with butter. Some recipe calls for geese lard, but that's a thing that you don't commonly have, so let's not use it. And yeah, and then have him also chop up the whole big cabbage head, maybe wash it, and then add 2 apples. And then cook it for 50 minutes essentially. Add some sugar. I don't know. Maybe this much. Yeah, and then add some vinegar and sugar and salt, and that's it. Easy. I messed something up. The cloves and the bay leaves actually go in there. So maybe can we pick out at least the bay leaf?
They're gonna be good in there.
But maybe the bay leaf not. Maybe pick that out.
It's
just
gonna be
I thought
good.
it's gonna be good. It's gonna go in both, but I don't know.
It's gonna be good in there.
Is it? How does it smell?
It's definitely gonna be good. I'd say leave it. I'll go leave it.
Okay. Let's leave it, but actually it doesn't belong in there. So we just came up with the perfect idea because this recipe calls for 1/4 liter of apple juice, but we didn't want to buy apple juice because when are we gonna drink apple juice? But we're drinking red wine, so we're just gonna sub it with red wine and see how it will turn out. Yes. So let's try to film how I take one because he's busy, he can't do that. Oh God, how's this gonna, let's switch it. Oh no, this is not working. Oh, maybe this is. Oh God. Perfect. One. Wow, what a shot. 2. We forget the apples. They were actually supposed to like fry with the onions a little bit, but who cares? In 50 minutes they're gonna be plenty soft. I just added some broth and now some more wine. Yeah, but we really want to drink the rest now. While that is cooking, those are sitting there, and that is cooking. Make sure you watch some German classics. The Germans will know. I have not seen the show with English subtitles. I hope English speaking people would like it too, but that's a very big classic from the 70s that not all, but many Germans watch every year.
Wer ist der Nächste?
Ich hätte gerne so ein kleines...
Haben Sie Spielzeug? Nein, wozu denn? Sagen Sie mal, was für ein Laden ist denn das hier eigentlich?
Ich bitte Sie. Ich hatte den Herrn nur gefragt, ob sein Enkelkind ein Junge oder ein Mädchen ist. Wenn Ihr Enkelkind ein Zipfelchen hat, wüsste man...
Zipfelchen?
Mein Gott, dann hat es eben kein Zipfelchen.
Mein Enkelkind hat alles, was es braucht. Gesunde Eltern, ein anständiges Zuhause und Zucht und Ordnung.
Hier haben wir ein neuartiges Spiel für Jungen und Mädchen im Alter von 5 bis 10 Jahren. Das wird sehr gern genommen. Wir bauen uns ein Atomkraftwerk.
just like I remember.
She came swiftly as the snow.